You are never going to believe what testosterone replacement therapy did for me. I used testosterone replacement therapy to boost my workout, and it was the best thing I did. I was struggling to meet my workout goals. I got tired so fast. I tried testosterone replacement therapy, and it made all the difference in the world. So if you're wondering if you should be treated with testosterone replacement therapy, stay with me. I'm going to show you in this video how it works, and I'm going to reveal something about TRT that you're going to want to know. And check out the link I'm including below for some great savings. Before testosterone replacement therapy, my workout was a struggle, and most of the time I felt so exhausted that I couldn't even finish. I finally decided to look into testosterone replacement therapy after hearing how great it works. I did some research and decided to go with Fountain TRT because it was easy, online, and fast. All I had to do was fill out their online questionnaire, get some blood work, and do an online consultation with them. I got my medicine delivered right to my home. It was convenient and fast. I received my cream and started to use it right away. I rub it high on my arm so I don't accidentally spread it on someone or rub or bump into it. Oh, and just in case you don't like creams, they also offer injections. And I'm very pleased with the results. My mood, energy, and even my sleep improved almost immediately. It took a little longer to see physical improvements, but that was okay because I was able to see other changes. My overall energy and how fast I recovered from the gym, and even the drive I have to push myself while in the gym totally changed for the better. Now, the one thing TRT improved that you're gonna want to know is libido and sexual drive. So if you're having a hard time with performance testosterone replacement therapy, just might be what you need. But guys, testosterone replacement therapy does come with some drawbacks. It does have some side effects like oily skin, acne, and fluid retention, but there are also some other serious ones. I was happy during my online consultation. Fountain TRT discussed all the risks and side effects. I was in constant communication with the professional support at first. It is available 24/7. So if you decide to try out testosterone replacement therapy, don't forget to click the link below for those great savings.